Meaning of have got.
Have got.
Have got.
Have got.
Have got. Have got is a verb phrase used to indicate possession or ownership of something. It's usually interchangeable with the verb have, but it adds emphasis to the act of possessing something. For example, I have a car and I have got a car mean the same thing, but the latter emphasizes that you actually possess a car. This phrase is commonly used in British English but is also recognized in American English. Overall, have got is a colloquial way of expressing possession and is often used in everyday conversation.